Let me tell you a story. A good 10 years ago, a game to rule them all appeared. The Elder Scrolls V, Skyrim. In this game you can do whatever you want unless you kill a chicken. Then you're fucked. So I found this old Blumenkastenhalter, and I would love to be a great YouTuber like Alex Steele or Bobby Duke. They inspired me for this project, an epic Daedric Sword. So let's get started before I get an arrow in the knee. First we need to roughly clean the surface to transfer the template, and then cutting, cleaning, drilling. No! Rest in peace, little drills. The world has not meant well for you. After many hours of cutting, drilling, cleaning and filing, I finally have the rough shape of the sword in my hand. I have earned a reward. Let's play some music and roll the montage. Did you like it? Then hit the like button. Thanks. Let's do some etching. After normalizing at 200 degrees Celsius, I wrap the sword in tape. If you master surface, you can create very fine patterns with this method. You'll need a 9-volt battery, alligator clips, Q-tips, cables and a saturated saltwater solution. Now you connect the positive pole to the steel to be etched and the negative pole to a Q-tip soaked in salt water. For the handle I take some oak that I still had lying around. Then I mark on a piece of tape the outlines and transfer them to the wood. The handle halves I work roughly. Dusty. And then glue them with epoxy resin to the sword. Now I apply a dark oil and that's it. The bluing. Mine is from Ballistol, but others work just as well. Here it is important that the liquid is filled in its own container. Otherwise it comes to a reaction in the whole bottle if you dive directly with the brush. I've repeated the process 4 times. Polished the sword with a piece of leather, painted the edgings with red paint and applied a thin layer of oil.
The Swabian born runs into the woods, armed only with his voice of power, to find the Daedric Sword. And finally there it is.
Hey, you're still here? Then hit the like button. Thanks.